Hello friends, let us solve this question. Find the nature of the roots. So we have to find ultimately nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. So before finding nature of the roots, we have to know what is the discriminant value. So next question is, if the real roots exist, find them. So if root is there, then we have to find the root. Which are the roots? So like that. Let us see step by step. So as I said, first we will find out discriminant. So discriminant formula we need to remember is d equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is the formula to find out discriminant. So now this ABC value we will get from here. Now let me show you here. A means coefficient of x square, that is 3. B coefficient of x, that is minus 4 root 3, minus 4 root 3, and this is C, constant part, that is C, 4. So ABC values are also ready. We will put here now. B square, this is B, so minus 4 root 3 whole thing square, minus 4 into A, it's 3, into C, that is 4. So how much we are getting? Let's see. Minus into minus is plus, 4 square, 4 4s are 16, again root 3 into root 3, it's 3, minus 4 3s are 12, 12 into 4, 48, 16 into 3 also 48, minus 48, that is 0. Now discriminant we got 0. Now we can write the nature of the root, that is the first part asked here. How to write the nature? We need to remember certain points here. Here when discriminant value is 0 equal to 0, that means two equal real roots exist. Two equal real roots we have to write when d is 0. So now I will write like this: since discriminant equal to 0, therefore the given quadratic equation has two equal real roots. So this is the first part. Now question was, if the real root exists, so it is existing here, two equal real roots, then find them. Now we will find the roots. So now roots are, now we have to remember here another formula for equal roots. Two equal roots, formula will be minus b by 2a, another one also minus b by 2a, equal, so both will be equal. This is the formula we will apply. So the roots are minus b by 2a. Let's write once more, minus b by 2a, or you can solve once and write twice the value, or let us put this way. Now minus b by 2a, will put the value again from here. Okay, let me show you here. Minus b by 2a, so minus, now b, another minus is there, minus 4 root 3, minus 4 root 3, 2a, 2 into a is 3. So I will write once more, same, minus b by 2a. To avoid mistakes, better to write twice. Okay, so minus into minus plus, So 4 root 3 by 2 into 3, 6. Here also same, minus and minus plus. 4 root 3 by 2 into 3, 6. So this is the answer. If you want to reduce a little bit, again you can cancel also. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So this way also you can write. So 2 root 3 by 3. 2 root 3 by 3. You can keep the answer here also. So this is the way how to find the value. I hope this will help.